It's here, honey. Dexter's June 2022 BARKBOX has arrived, and you can see how excited he is that it's here. He loves his monthly BARKBOX subscription. Oh, I have to open up the other tape. There we go, honey. Let's see. Let's first look at the theme. Oh, Jurassic Park. Oh, this is cute. Oh, Dexter is such an expert at his unboxings now. But so this is his monthly dog toy and treat box, which he already went for the 2 toys. He loves his BARKBOX toys. He plays with all of them, and he's gotten so many because he's been getting this BARKBOX for years. First thing he does is rip off the tag, but these toys are so cute. The dinosaur, the Jurassic, let's see, is it Jurassic Park? Yes, Jurassic World theme. Oh, these are so cute. Adorable. Every month I get so excited to see what the theme is, and it's always so adorably curated. And oh yay, some treat sticks that are actually different this time. Pure Love pork stick recipe. So he always gets 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, and a chew. So these are the chew that he got. And then, oh nice, some themed treats. Raptor scraps, turkey recipe biscuits. Oh, that's cute. And then more Raptor scraps. These ones jerky with sweet potato and mixed berries. Oh my gosh, that is definitely going to be a different flavor for Dexter that he hasn't tried yet. You can see he's sniffing. It must smell good. And so he also loves all the treats that he's gotten from BARKBOX. There has literally been nothing that he hasn't liked. And then I love to look at all of the different toy options that you could have gotten. Oh my gosh, so cute. And you can see they have toys for different size dogs. Dexter gets the small dog box because he is a chihuahua, but I gotta take that tag away from him before he chews it up. But another fantastic BARKBOX that I know Dexter is going to be enjoying. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next video.